Hello and welcome to Azel's Technologies. This is Amit, and today we are going to learn how to create Google Forms. For that, you just need to click on your browser. It could be Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. There you have to log in with your Gmail, and after that, if you are already logged in with Gmail, so you will find out this kind of icons. So there you will find the Google, the Google Doc. So if not, so here it is your Google Documents. So just click on the Google Docs. So this will open, and here what you have to do on this menu, just click once, and there you will find Google Doc, Sheets, Slides, and Form. So you are going to create a form, so just click on the forms. So if you will already have the forms, this is already a contact information form, the predefined already. But if you want a customized form, so what you have to do, just click on the blank. This is your title, so I'm just not giving anything, so you can just put it down, or you want whatever you want, so and so meeting or something like this. Then there is the form description. You want to add any description, you can put it the description. Now this is the main part, so here you can just find it out, the form name, the description, what is the form about, and I'll show you my previous forms. And this is your, the first one is your like the form based. So here let's suppose that you want to add something that should be the email one. So if you are going to have that email ID is compulsory, so you will click on email first. The suggestion is email, enable email collection settings. So until unless somebody is not giving you the email address, means that information is not good for you, so you can collect in email through it. So just enable it. So as you will be going to enable it, the red mark, the strict red mark, that means it is compulsory that you have to give your email address. Now next thing is what I have to do. There are the option plus, so add a question, import questions, if you already have title and description, add image, add any video, or add section. So we will come slowly one by one. So this is the basic form today. So just click on the question. So what is the question is here? Let's suppose you want a simple form, so first name or full name. So full name. So now here you have the options right on that side. This is a short answer, so I'm just going to tell you what is the short answer means. You can give there will be one text box where you can write. If you want more information, more lengthy answer, you can go for the paragraph. Then what is the multiple choice question? Out of 4, out of 5, out of 6, you have to choose only one. That is your multiple choice. In another word, we call it a radio button. This is called the check boxes. So check boxes is that you can put n number of the option, and people can select n number of the things. This is the drop down, just like when somebody is clicking, so there will be the option you can use. If you want, somebody want to upload some files, it could be a photograph, resume, or something. So that is, this is the linear scale. So 1, 2, and 3, when something is going on the stages, first stage, second stage, and third stage, this is multiple choice grid and multiple checkbox grid. So we'll come on later on these sections, and the date and the time. So suppose there will be calendar, so you can choose the date also, which date and time slot. So right now we are just creating a simple form. So this is full name and show text. This is the text one. Here is the option of your required. So required means if somebody is not want to fill the name, so do you want that form, you want to accept without any data? So if not, then you have to make it required. As you are going to make it required, it will be just like that, this trick. So how your form will be looking like, here is the option of preview. So you can just click on the preview. So this is your email address and full name. So you can see this is required question. So wherever you want something is required, you have to put it the required button on, so there will be a red button. So let's create another one. So let's suppose that your all field are going to be like same short answer. So I'm just going to have the another one. So copy, there in between, this is the copy option. You can delete it also, and I'm saying that mobile number. So this is your mobile. It will ask you again, responsive valid has been added, remove number or something, so you can remove it. Otherwise you can just go for the is number, custom terrace, but I don't want you would be getting any trouble, so just remove it. Make it simple, and it is also compulsory. Now after that, let's suppose you want city, so you can just click city. You want to copy it, you copy it. Let's suppose you want to give the gender selection, so here you want option. So already this is the artificial intelligence, male and female. So the first option is you want female, add another option male, and prefer not to say. So like this way you can give it. So this is multiple choice questions. So in another way what you can go, that you can go I like, let's suppose this is, and here you are going to give multiple choices. So there are the check boxes. So multiple choices, out of 4 only one. When you have multiple choices in check boxes, so you could say like it could be reading, music, or etc etc. So like this way, even though if you want to collect it, so you can say that. Again, if you will see the preview of the form on the top, so you can see the email name and all. So this is the one, like city, and you can have, this is radio button, multiple choice option, only one option you can select. But in the checkbox you can select all, and later you can do the submit part. Anyways, we are going ahead. So like this way you can go ahead. There will be a option like if you want, we have gone through this question, and here you want select date. So you can see, as you are putting date, automatically it is giving you the date option as well. So here people can use date option like this way, month, date, or year. So it is required, if it is required, make it required, otherwise no. Or you can say DOB, for the better way, it's date of birth you can collect. Again, go and check in preview. So you can see here people can add, they will be clicking here, there is the option of the calendar, so easily they can choose, and that way so they can choose the date and whatever they want. So calendar is there, in the same way time is also there. So basically when the basic forms are there, you will require, this is email, this is your short answer or short paragraph. Now sometime you have to use like drop down. So what kind of the drop downs you want? For a check you want city, and it should be like a drop down option. So you want to drop down. So now the option one, let's say Delhi, B, C, and then whatever the option you do have, and even it's required, so you can do. And when you have the similar kind of thing, let's suppose after the city, you just want to copy it, you copied city 2 times, and now you want to say that your education, here you want to put it MTech, BTech, or whatever you want, right? So you want it, but the sequence is not the correct sequence. So either you want to put it on the top after the mobile number, or you want to put it at the bottom. So what you can do, that as you will be coming to this portion, you will see these 4 arrows. So you can just click it and drag and drop it up and bottom side. So just see that where it is the position. So now it has gone up. So you have to be very commanding on this, that where you are putting it. So after mobile number, education, and city, and like this way. So when you are done with this, like we have gone through DOB, suppose that you don't want DOB option, so what you can do, you can delete it here. So this is the delete option, you can delete it, you can change it. If you don't want any option, prefer to say, so you can remove. If you want to add something, you can just put it on and it will be going to be add. It could be like internet or something like. So you can easily add or delete anything in any option. So there is an option of removing it, right? So in this way you can design a form. Here you can find it out, the color section, so which color you want. As you will be clicking, the color will be changed, so you can choose any color whatever you like. There are a lot of things. You want to choose a header, so you can choose a header also in this way, right? It could be anything. You can have your own one, so it's totally depend upon that what kind of theme or what kind of form you are creating. So you can just you know select it. I'm just selecting for right now for teaching purpose. This just insert it, so this will be your header. So like this way this image will be coming. Now if you will preview this your form, so it will be looking like this. So you can have your own company's logo or something like this here. So it could be the batter or whatever you want. Like the background you can select these things. So basic format is we'll go and we'll learn all the things in deeply one by step. So this is just the intro video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. If you have any question, you can put it on the comment section. I'll try to answer it. Thank you. And I'm really sorry I forgot that how you have to send it. When you will click it on the send option, so there is a send option, how you are going to share it. So when you will click on the send, there is a collect email address, so you can directly send to someone, or there is a link. So there is a link. The link is very long, so what you can do, just shorten the link. So link it short. You can copy it. Here is the option copy. These are the embedded, so you can even put it on your blog or anywhere wherever you have your HTML page or the web form. So you can put it like this way, and you have copied it. Now if you have the WhatsApp on, so you can share it. So like this way you can share, so people can click on it and they will be going and filling the details. So now this is loading. This is the form required, and that's it. When somebody will be submitting, let me do it one for you. So so when I will be submitting, it's submitted, and you will get the response like form submitted. Now how you have to see that where are your responses. So when you will go to your form, so there you can see that one response is there. Click on it, you are going to get it, your response. So when there will be many responses, you can find it out how. And there is an option of creating a separate sheet or a spreadsheet. So when you will be clicking on, it will create a new spreadsheet. You can give it a name, and then it will be creating. So I'll show you my previous forms where you can find it out that how I used it and how I collected the data. So for a shake, this is the 8th May, and when I'm going to open this, so you can see that I had this meeting on 8th May and the responses are 129. So when I'm going to click on the responses, you can see there is an option also, that at what time you have to accept the entries and on and off. So you can just click on and off. Once you are opening it, accepting responses. Once you put it off, so no responses. So on the responses, you can see that like this way it will be coming to you. And how we are going to get the responses, you can download it in Excel. So you're just going to create it, and you can see that this is the Excel file it has generated. Either you can use it here, and if you want to download it, so go to the file option. There is an option of download, and you can do it Microsoft Excel download or PDF, whatever in which format you want. So I just want to go with the Microsoft Excel format. Go select it and give it a name wherever you want to give it. I just want to put it in downloads for a 8th May form, and save it. So I can now open it on my desktop. So this is the form right now I have in my PC, and whatever I can do, right. I can just put it this information, and now the information is all mine. So I hope so you like the video. Thank you so much, guys. I had said it very earlier also, but again I have to say it because that was too fast on that time. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and if you have any question, please comment it here. So thank you so much once again.